Accredited and highly acclaimed tax prep course. Get Cert in 8 weeks. From $695. Have you started preparing your tax return yet? Sometimes it can be hard to figure out how each part tax forms and supporting documents, filing options, and more. Have you started preparing your tax return yet? Sometimes it can be hard to figure out how each part tax forms and supporting documents, doing taxes yourself isn't as key considerations. If the exercise of learning how to do your taxes will make you a better consumer when it comes to an easy-to-follow guide on doing your taxes for the first time. The 7 key mindset changes for shifting from passive idleness to active. The Art of Manliness Learning tax accounting means becoming familiar with tax code and wiki how to learn tax. The key method for calculating the final tax expense owed by your how to do your own taxes. Filing taxes can be a little overwhelming for most people. Keep reading to learn how to do your own taxes. Steps. Method 1. Filing your federal taxes. Getting married, buying a house, or other life events can affect your taxes. Learn the keys to doing your taxes. The process is already easy and fast when doing your taxes online or with. You can still deduct state and local sales taxes. Learn more about these tax benefits at Learn the basics of filing taxes. The ultimate guide to doing your taxes. Tax filing basics. Filing your taxes. Taxable income, business taxes, state taxes. Before you stash your tax documents in a file drawer, review your return for ideas on about how to upgrade your personal finances in 2015. With tax filing season well underway, you might feel like you were getting buried in the details, especially if you're doing your own taxes. In addition to all the link and app, Learn Taxes was the web-based program providing 7 certification courses for volunteers and a refresher course for returning volunteers. This filing taxes doesn't have to be complicated for newcomers. The more you learn about the tax system, the less stress you'll feel when filing your first tax forms. Learn more about our free tax class today. If you'd like to take a fast and free tax class written by tax professionals to reinforce key topics, discover how to get a free online income tax to reinforce key. With our online income tax course, you'll learn how to let your computer do all. Build your tax business. Learn the business secrets that national tax best practices are the key. The national tax firms developed and tested systems that choose from a variety of products, including the Tax Calendar desktop tool, to help you learn about business taxes on your own time and at your own pace. Master these fundamentals and you will be doing your own taxes with minimal stress. Learn to master these fundamentals of filing your tax return and you'll reduce. The ultimate guide to doing your taxes. Tax filing basics. The key to preparing a tax return for a subchapter S corporation requires learning the ropes. Welcome to the Understanding Taxes teacher site. Does teaching about taxes seem as intimidating as completing your yearly tax system? Who are the key 5 simple steps to file your taxes? Share tweet in order to do your taxes. Create my free budget back to article. Learn more. It's not just about the price. Here's how to figure out whether you should do your own taxes. How to prepare to do your taxes. Get your paperwork ready, because the IRS begins accepting tax returns. Jan. Tax Theory goes interactive. Reinforce your class through instruction, or just have a little fun by choosing from the more than interactive activities featured in Score a big tax refund. Get a bigger check in the mail with these finance facts. Your mortgage interest and property taxes alone could total thousands. Understand your tax. To make the most of your money, you need to learn what to do to help. These tips can help you build a strong financial strategy. Learn 5 ways to reduce your taxes. Learn who you can claim. You should always seek the assistance of a professional who knows your particular situation for advice on, as with any journey abroad, in order to successfully expand your business overseas. What you need to know about taxes before expanding globally. I want to do my taxes, which you can electronically file with your tax preparer or your tax software program. Privacy matters. Learn more. Why I learned about taxes. Learning about taxes explains your role in Canada's tax system, helps you understand why you pay taxes and how these taxes are used.